Floor Grip Medic live. We just completed another pool deck here in Palm Coast, Florida. This color is called Stargazer. The homeowner wanted a neutral color. Beautiful, beautiful coating. Again, as I always say, we coat the drain to protect it with our base coat. It's a rubberized coating. This will never separate the laminate from the surface. It came out absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful coating. So, of course, we do the bull nose or coping of the pool. We coat that in a solid color just to kind of give it make it pop a little bit. We also took care of the outer slabs as well. Came out really, really nice. Very durable product, 15-year warranty. Takes about 2 to 3 days to do a pool deck like this, but this one just, wow. Not to brag, but this is one of our best pieces here for sure. The grind was good. Everything about this particular job was pretty good for us, so we were very pleased with the outcome.